Jain student, today we are going to discuss the important question. When market demand is more than market supply, it refers to a situation of options are A. Excess supply, B. Equilibrium, C. Excess demand, D. None of these. The option for question number A is excess demand. Next question. Equilibrium price is determined when options are A. Market demand and market supply are equal. B. Market demand is more than market supply. C. Market demand is zero for commodity. D. Market supply is zero for commodity. The right answer is option A, that is market demand and market supply are equal. Next, equilibrium price and output change when options are demand change, B supply change, C both demand and supply change, and D all of the above. The answer for this question is option number D, that is all of above. Now question number 4, equilibrium price remain the same when options are increase in demand equal to increase in supply, increase in demand is greater than decrease in supply, C decrease in demand is greater than increase in supply, and D increase in demand equal to decrease in supply. The answer for this question is option A, that is increase in demand equal to increase in supply. Next question, what will be the effect of equilibrium price if supply is decreased without any change in demand? Options are A, no change in price, B, price will fall, C, price will rise, D, none of these. The options are A. The right answer is option C, that is price will rise. Next, when there is decrease in demand, equilibrium price will, options are A fall, B rise, C either A or B, D none of these. The right answer is option A, that is fall. Next question, if there is increase in demand, equilibrium price will remain the same when options A supplies is perfectly in elasticity, B supplies is perfectly elasticity, C supply remain the same, D increase in demand less than increase in supply. The right answer is option B, that is supply is perfectly elasticity. Now next question, when both demand and supply decrease in the same proportion, the equilibrium quantity will, options are A remain the same, B rise, C fall, D none of these. The right answer is option C fall. Next, when increase in demand is more than increase in supply, then equilibrium price will, option A remain the same, B fall, C rise, D none of these. The right answer is option C, that is rise. Next question, if demand and supply curve shift to the left, the options are A equilibrium price fall and effect on quantity cannot be determined, B both price and quantity fall, C effect on both price and quantity cannot be determined, D quantity fall but effect on price cannot be determined. The right answer is option D, that is quantity fall but effect on price cannot be determined. Thank you.